Hello everyone, welcome to the ForceBolt YouTube channel. In today's video, I will give you a quick demo of one of my website development projects, in which I have created a website using Python language as a backend. We have also used Django, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap 3 for template view creation with a user authentication library. Adding on, I have used SHA-256 and Aragon 2 for hashing and verifying the code. So first, let's take a look at the UI of the project. Here you can see the brand name, Blog Manager, and here is the menu bar with Home, Contact, Services, About, Register, and Login options. As I click on the Register button, this interface will appear on the screen. So here we need to fill all the required fields to register. I have filled in all the required details, and after setting a password, I clicked on the register button to save the details. After you click on the register button, you will receive a notification on your email. As you can see the activation link sent on your mail. Please check your mail. As I open my mail, now you can see I opened my Gmail. I found the email in the spam box. I clicked on the given link that redirected me to the page that notified me that the account is activated, and now I'm logged in with my name. And here is the logout button where users can log out from the website. Here, the login button is toggled to the logout button as my account is registered. The data will be saved in the admin panel with the password, and the admin has access to the password as I have used SHA-256 and Aragon 2 to encrypt the password. So, here we will add our credentials and click on Login. We will click on the user, and here we can see the name testing with which we have registered. And here we can see the email ID. The link we received in the mail is required to use for activating the account. Here we can see the two tools, Aragon 2 and SHA-256. This works for hashing the codes. That means the password will be converted to a hash code. Similarly, as we click on the Contact tab and fill in our details here, such as the name, email, phone, and the questions we want to ask, and then click on the Submit button, we can see the notification here. The message has been sent. So now, in the admin portal, click on the Contact tab. Here we can see the details we have filled in. So that was all about my project. Do you have a project requirement to build performance-oriented user interfaces for modern, rich applications with the latest front-end technologies? Our certified software development experts strive to deliver the project on time and invest their time to enhance their skills for developing robust and efficient software as per your business requirements. Contact ForceBolt's team for experts now.